Hello guys, welcome to part 9. This is the video of part 9 of SQL 50. So in this video I'll solving this question rising temperature, and you can see that in our previous video I have already made individual question on individual video. You can also check that videos, and for today I will be solving this question rising temperature. So let's start. So first understand with tables. In this question we have only one table called weather, and it have three columns: ID, record date, and temperatures. So let's understand the question. Write a solution to find dates ID which higher temperatures compared to its previous day. It means yesterday. Return the result table in any order. So here we have a table, example table. These are ID and these are records. You can see that 1st Jan, 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan, 4th Jan, and these are the temperature. So it's 25. This is greater than previous day. It means 1st Jan. In compared to 1st Jan, 2nd Jan have higher temperatures. So we want this record as output. You can see ID2, and this is also ID4 because it is also a higher temperature in compared to previous day. Previous temperature is 20 and this is 30, so we want also temperature ID4, right? So now it's turn to write query. Select ID from weather W. Here is W is we named weather as a W. So we need to join same table by self join. So join with itself weather and as W2 on we can join same table with itself. So in order to get required result, we need to join these row with these row of first table from this row, so that we can compare this record to this. So we can use the function called dateDiff. W dot record date W2 dot record date. So this function will give the result, give the difference between both the dates, right? So we want only both records which gives difference 1. For example, if this date is, this is 2nd Jan and this is 1st Jan, if we w dot record, if we subtract record date from a first table to this record, it means this to this, so we will get 1. So we want only 1. Sorry guys, here we need to give equal sign, is equal to sign, right? So let's run this code. So we will get every record which will give the difference 1. Let's see guys. Here, oh yeah, that's one more problem. We need to mention that IDs of which, from which table. So W, IDs of the first, this table guys, weather. So in record we will get 2, 3 and 4, like difference from this to this is equal to 1. We will get all, we get all the records which gives result, which gives the difference 1, and we need to add one more clause, weather clause, w dot temperature e greater than w2 dot temperature. Now our query is completed guys. Let's run it. So in this condition we want only those temperature which is greater, like this is first table, this is the week, first we get this record from the first table, and this record of second table we compare first table temperature from the second table of temperature. So you can see our code is accepted guys, and we get only 2 and 4 in our output. So let's submit this code now. Here we go, our code is successfully submitted. So thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe this channel Ashish with Analysis. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.